gave me words that always fill me up. Silently holding me. Hope in my eyes, it's only thickening. Timidly flowing me. Now, oh, silent cat, bring my tunes back to life. Don't say a word, don't you hide away from me. Fill myself with glee, and I feel a river flowing in my eyes.
I set out on a narrow way many years ago, hoping I would find true love along the broken road.
But I got lost a time or two, wiped my brow and kept pushing through. I couldn't see how every sign pointed straight to you.
Today and every day, marry me. If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will. Ooh.
'Cause God bless the broken road that led me straight to you.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind.
Every long lost dream led me to where you are. Others who broke my heart, they were like northern stars, pointing me on my way into your loving arms. This much I know is true,
That all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections.